Remove 10 screws. Using a plastic pry tool, pry open the cover and remove it. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove 5 screws. Remove the battery. Disconnect the speaker cable from the main board. Release the cable from the guide and remove the speakers. Release the latches to remove the module. Peel off the cover. Disconnect the antenna leads. Remove 1 screw. Remove the card. Disconnect the battery connector. Release the cable from the guide. Peel off the battery and remove it. Disconnect the fan cable. Remove 2 screws. Release the wireless LAN cables from the fan guide. Remove the fan. Remove 6 screws. Disconnect the EDP cable. Carefully lift up the keyboard bezel and separate it from the LCD assembly. Disconnect the I/O board cable and fingerprint cable. Remove 1 screw. Lift up the board and remove it. Release 3 screws. Carefully lift up the heatsink and remove it. Disconnect the DC in cable. Remove the cable. Disconnect the touchpad cable and keyboard cable from the main board. Remove 2 screws. Carefully lift up the main board to remove it. Slide the cover to the right to remove it. Remove 2 screws. Use a non-metallic tool and your hands to remove the LCD bezel. Pull out the 2 pieces of tape from the bottom edge of the LCD panel. Lift up the panel and disconnect the EDP cable. Remove the panel. Install 2 pieces of removable tape on the A cover. Check that the tape is aligned with the guides. Connect the EDP cable. Peel off the protective layer. Carefully lay the LCD panel onto the A cover. Press to tape it to the cover. Disconnect the camera cable. Peel off the module and remove it. Remove 4 screws to remove the right hinge. Remove 4 screws to remove the left hinge.